Sanglit sa nakiskot kog 70 weeks. Ang leader aning one world religion mao si Antichrist. Ini nga ako ning basahon. In this passage, the Bible reveals that Lucifer was the most beautiful archangel ever created, perfect in wisdom and beauty. Some Bible scholars believe that he led the angelic choirs of heaven and kept the entrance to the very throne of the triune God of glory. Then one day, iniquity was found in his heart. He said, I will be like the Most High. I will be as God. Lucifer was the first great positive thinker of all time. The first to build his self-image and build his self-esteem and love himself. The Bible tells us that he deceived 1/3, remember, 1/3 of the beautiful sinless angels of heaven by that awful lie. Awful lie. Follow me and I will lead you to godhood. Lucifer, son of the morning, mga titulo niya, daghan ni mga titulo ni si Lucifer, led the first great rebellion at the very throne of God. He was banished forever. Ikaduhang ay isa sa mga titulo niya, the son of the morning became the prince of darkness, the devil, Satan, the god of this world, and the angels, sinless beings that had been given the power of free choice, became demons awaiting the judgment of the great day of God. Ingana si Lucifer ka limbungan. Gamit siya sa nagkalailaing taktika basta ang tao iya lang mabiktima. Maoning sa karon nga mga leader sa kalibutan, maonay gusto nilang ibalik ang one world government, one world religion, one world leader. Maoni si Lucifer or Antichrist. Og sundi lang gyapon ninyo og maayong gabi sa tanan.